Well, this is a 1993 Mustang, better known as the Fox body. This is the last year of this body style. I am the third owner. Purchased the vehicle when I was serving in the military. One of the previous owners did a rear clear coat, so that's why it has such a deep black shine to it. I purchased the chrome ponies aftermarket to bring out that black. After they asked me if this is the original paint or original top, I tell them yes. Then I show them the engine component and let them see all originality of it. It's kept clean. I do drive it. It has 6,100 miles on it, once again, but I do drive it, and I plan on driving it as long as I own it. A large percentage of these Fox bodies are modified. However, there are a few, like mine, that haven't been touched. It's not going to be touched. It's going to be straight 5.0 factory. Favorite memory when I got my first trophy. I got it for originality as well as cleanliness. The car is all factory. Chrome ponies are aftermarket, but it is time, the wheels, so it's still in the category of all factory. Mustang right now has 55 years of uninterrupted history. When I narrowed it down to the muscle car, that was the reason why at the time when I purchased it. But currently, 55 years of uninterrupted history, and the Mustang continues to evolve and grow. I am a Mustang enthusiast to the fullest. Have 3 Mustangs, 03 Cobra, known as the Terminator, and also have a 1990 notchback LX that will be restored someday. I've been doing this event for the past decade and look forward to continue doing it. It's phenomenal, it's unique, it's the biggest, millions and millions of people and thousands of vehicles. You just can't go wrong. If you're a true car enthusiast or any muscle car, you're gonna love this event. The one that tops it all off is Mustang Alley. Mustang Alley is just phenomenal, it's greatest. I just can't get enough of Mustang Alley because of the multitude of different variety of Mustangs that's on both sides of the avenue.